Hi, my name is Dwi Rahmadi. I am from Diplomatry Tourism Merdeka University. I want to explain my opinion about how to learn English effectively. English is the language of international communication. We should master it so that we can easily communicate and get along with people from any other nation. Apply the three most effective techniques to learn English. Number 1. Deep listening. Actively listen to slow rhythms and then change to fast one in order to understand pronunciation and intonation. Number 2. Catching up. Practice speaking speed from slow to fast to correctly pronounce each word, intonation at all times. Number 3. Rapid response. Combination of listening and speaking skills to train your reflexes without taking time to think. The goals for Indonesians in learning English usually also vary, including for business conversation, proficiency in writing, and also translating. How and how long a person learns a language will show different results. To be sure, to get to the level of fluency is very difficult because the choice of words we use is not as natural as native speaker. Learning English or other foreign language are a challenge for us. Trying to listen the English podcast, you can also access them easily through the Spotify or Apple Podcasts application. Start with short stories or favorite themes. In this digital age, podcasts are increasingly popular among young Indonesians. From comedy and socio-cultural stories, it can also be understood while doing various activities. Try actively to find new vocabulary every day that we find interesting and write it down in the book. One of the fastest ways to learn English is to write at least one paragraph a day. Thus, it will be able to determine any theme. In this sophisticated era, you don't have to bother carrying a thick dictionary anywhere. Simply using a smartphone alone can translate foreign English words that are found every day. These habits can help English skills. Talking in front of a mirror is also recommended by experts to increase our confidence. Do this method at least 3 times per week for 15 minutes. Unconsciously, English skills will be more fluent. The key to success in English is discipline. With practice every day, it is guaranteed to be proficient in English. Of course, learning English is easier with the guidance of an advanced teacher. Current courses can be easily done online via the e-learning portal. All your questions will be quickly answered anywhere and anytime. But don't underestimate learning on your own. Courses can only help. To be successful in learning English, you need motivation and discipline. How long does it actually take to learn English? This answer depends on the goals and routine of each. Of course, the process of learning English does not require a short time, but depends on the motivation to learn and in terms of the ability to speak English that you want to master. Proficiency in English is not only measured by speaking, but also listening, reading, and writing. The conclusion of my opinion: you must not to get formal course to learn English. You can develop your English skill through anything you like, such as listening to English song, or try to watching English movies without subtitle, reading a simple English book or magazine, such as sport magazine, game, or relate to your hobby. And remember, do not hesitate to ask to someone that speaks fluently in English, such as native speaker, and don't be lazy to explore the dictionary. Thanks for watching.